When I became police chief 2 years ago, I started to kind of look at some of the nationwide things that were going on in law enforcement and the hot topic issues with police-citizen encounters and some being violent encounters. And as I dug deeper into that, it became obvious to me that mental health and behavioral health were a big part of that was being undiagnosed, unaided. I would say well over half of our calls have some underlying tone of mental health and addiction and behavioral health and things that are somewhat medical in nature but can become criminal.
As part of our inaugural opportunity grants, we granted the seed money for the Gainesville Police Department to hire a mental health professional so that they could help on the calls or the crises that happen and take place around mental health.
I get to follow up with these individuals, with their families. There's an incredible need for them to be connected to resources in our community, which are abundant, but they often don't know how to access them.
Anjana, as a clinician, is able to really look at what that individual's needs are, whether it be food, mental health, housing, no matter what the need, and connect them with us. So at United Way, we have our Compass Centers, we have social workers on staff that are also able to help. So she's able to fill that immediate crisis and then hand them off to us and know that that client's going to be taken care of.
But the truth is, mental illness affects people in every socioeconomic status and every walk of life.
Everybody's had acute anxiety at times or acute depression, but untreated that can grow. And I want to take that stigma away from mental health and look at it the same way you would look at physical health and know that it's okay to not be okay, and that we would use this program to reach out to our underserved population, that they won't have to turn to criminal behavior to get their basic needs met. And that's what the medical center, that's what the foundation, the United Way, the North Georgia Community Foundation, that's what all these stakeholders are bringing to the table so that we can help those that need our help.
And to me, that is a perfect example of why it's so important that we work together, and by the partnering of our organizations, really being able to create lasting change.
It goes far beyond dollars. It really is supporting your neighbor, supporting what their needs are, and helping the entire community. And so, giving to this cause truly does make a difference.